Please listen carefully for instruction on course selection for the next school year. You will notice that the parent portal view has changed, which altered the way students choose electives from previous years. After logging onto your account, look for the More button at the bottom of the left-hand corner. Clicking on the More button will bring you to a page where you should click on Course Registration, and then again, Hewlett High School. You will now be able to see the courses that your teachers have recommended you for the next school year. These courses cannot be changed in the parent portal, but can be altered during your upcoming meeting with your counselor. Please know that your teachers have a good sense of your academic abilities and are aware of the coursework in courses within their department. Keep in mind of your other outside commitments when you're selecting a program, and be sure not to overwhelm yourself across the board. Now click on the blue button to add a course. You will notice a bar graph running across the top. The bar graph will be fully completed if you choose a 10-period day. The fraction would read 80/80. We encourage students to take a 9-period day with a lunch period, and the fraction would read 72/80. But please do not get hung up on the bar graph, as your counselor will be cleaning up your program with you. Below is the list of all the courses available to choose as electives. When you click on a certain course, it will open and you will see a course description, the credit value, including any prerequisite or course guideline you should be aware of. Add the course, and now you need to go back 2 times to view that that course is under your course selection. Continue with the steps, and be sure when you are selecting a science class, if it has a lab requirement, to go back and include the lab. Back 2 times to look at your program, and there it is. If you'd like to select an alternate course, you can do that by simply choosing the course and clicking on Add as an Alternate. And this way, when building your schedule, your counselor will be aware of alternate courses should you not be fully scheduled with your desired courses. Click back again 2 times to view your entire program. You can also print your program, which may be easier to read, and you can print that out from home. Thank you so much, and please make sure you're prepared for your meeting with your upcoming counselor with any questions or concerns. Thank you.